Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever, but I'm so happy to be able to film for you guys today. I posted a makeup tutorial on my Instagram account about a month ago or something, and actually it's probably been more like 2 months ago, and I got so many requests from you guys asking me if I filmed it, and if I didn't film it, if I could film a tutorial on it. And this is the look. It's sort of like a cranberry sort of smoky eye. I feel like this is something that is prom appropriate, so if you guys are going to prom and you want something that's really bold, this is a look for you. I really love the way it came out. I can't believe it actually came out the same way it looks in the picture that I took. I did use the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflections palette. Sorry, it's really reflective so you can see the mirror right here. But this was actually one of my favorite palettes that BH came out with within this kind of line, the Glam Reflections line. This is the L'Amour palette. And as you can see here, it has a bunch of like rosy tones. I just love this palette. I feel like BH Cosmetics has really stepped up their game. I have been purchasing a lot of their makeup since I started my channel, and even before that. And the quality is just amazing. The shadows are so pigmented. They blend out really nice, and I really enjoy the foiled shadows in this palette as well. I did spray Fix Plus on all the shadows that I used just to help give it more of a foiled look. I do that with any shadow, high-end or drugstore. I did film this as a voiceover. I'm sorry, I did want to talk through it, but there is currently construction next door and there was a ton of noise. My dogs were barking up a storm, and it's just, I really wanted to get this up for you guys, and it was the only way that I could film it. My camera did die towards the end, so I did do the lower lash line, and then I went off camera to finish up this side of my eye on the lower lash line, and my camera was completely dead, and I didn't get to show you guys the lash application and the lower lash mascara. I just used the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara, and then for my lips, I did use a combination of these two. This is the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Alice, and then I topped it off with the Marc Jacobs Sugar Gloss. I really love this look. It is completely glam. Like I said, it's prom appropriate, it's good for date night, and if you are comfortable with wearing a smoky eye during the day, then this is for you. I just want to say how grateful I am to you all for staying subscribed to my channel. I know I haven't been the most consistent. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It would just make my day. If you guys have any requests, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments section down below. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.